Welcome to the AOLIS iStudy basic tutorial. Let's start by opening your web browser. Go to AOLIS Personal by typing in this address: https://a.iolis.aup.edu.ph/personal/. Alternatively, you can also go to your search engine and type in AOLIS Personal. Simply click AOLIS Personal on the search result. Because you will be using this site regularly, we would suggest you save it as bookmark to make your search process quicker. Type in your login credentials, student ID, and password. Then click the Login button. If you have troubles logging in, please contact Sir Winilfred Pasamba at winilfredpasamba@gmail.com. You are now logged in your AOLIS personal account. Look for the iStudy link on the upper portion of the site. Click it. Then click this link to be directed to the iStudy site. You are now logged in your iStudy account. AOLIS iStudy is AUP's Moodle Learning Management System. This is the interface of your AOLIS iStudy. Let's have a quick tour. Click the 3 stacked vertical lines to see the tabs. Your dashboard shows you the courses you are enrolled in for a specific semester. You can also see the timeline, which shows activities due on a particular period. You may also chat with other users on iStudy. Head on to the online users box to see who's online. You can also see the calendar and upcoming events to keep you updated with schedule of your activities. You can also keep your files stored on cloud in your iStudy. Click Private Files. My Courses shows the courses that you have taken or enrolled in. Click on the course to see online class activities and announcements. Here you would be able to see all the activities that your teacher has uploaded on iStudy. To be notified if your teachers added activities on your class, please make sure to update your email account. Head on to your profile and click Edit Profile. Go to the email address field, put in your email account. Scroll down and click Update Profile. Make sure to regularly check your iStudy or your email so you do not miss out on any of your class activities. We hope that the use of the AOLIS iStudy will make your online classes convenient and fun.